Today we're going to make this Santa ornament. I had put some Mod Podge on, and I ironed on this piece of scrap paper, and I had taken some glaze from Dixie Belle in Van Dyke Brown and put that on, and then I put some wax and some Dixie Belle dirt because I just want to have my backer piece ready while we paint the Santa. I'm just using some AFK chalk paint in the color Vintage Lace. And I'm just using a flesh color for the little inset of the face. All the lines are scored on there so you can see where to paint. And then I'm just using some Burn Red from AFK and some green from them also. Now I'm just going to take some dark brown and shade to give it a little dimension. And then I did use the same brown for the eyes and the eyebrows. Now I'm just going to glue on the hat pieces and the mustache. And then I ended up adding a little wax on top. Just what was left over in my brush. And then I just speckled with some paint and let that dry. Then I'm just making a really small bow to go up by the handle of the cutting board. And I just added some green berry bush and a little rusty bell. Have a great day.